Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Today I am going to explain most important thing, that is tricks to remember various different types of fungi. Most of the students will confuse to remember the various different types of fungi. They are given n number of times in previous NEET exams and as well as EAMCET. Now there are total fungi broadly divided into 4 different classes. The first class, the classes of fungi. First class, Phycomycetes. It is the first class. In this class, there are 3 examples are there that is easy to remember if you follow this trick. The first, I'll tell you here one trick, that is the Ramu. Ramu. R stands for Rhizopus. It is otherwise known as bread mold because it prefers to grow on the bread. That is the first letter. A. Second letter A. A for Albugo. It is a parasitic fungi. Parasite on mustard. It causes the white rust. Last Mu. Mu. That is the Mucar. These are the 3 examples are placed in the Phycomycetes class fungi. So these 3 examples easy to remember if you follow this word, that is the Ramu. Second class fungi, that is the Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes, it is the second class fungi. There are different examples are there in Ascomycetes, that all those examples easy to remember if you follow this trick. I will write one sentence. My master uses pencil. This one simple sentence, if you will remember, easy to remember all the examples of Ascomycetes, that is the second class. My master uses pencil. The first M stands for here M. That is the morels, edible fungi. AS, aspergillus. This is one more example. Next, here the AS aspergillus. T stands for truffles. This is also edible fungi. Next, PE, Penicillium notatum. Next, N stands for Neurospora. C stands for Claviceps purpurea. My master uses pencil. Am I right? Yes. S stands for, so here the YES. Y stands for here yeast. That is the unicellular fungus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total in NCERT textbook and Telugu Academy textbook, there are 7 examples are there. If you follow this trick, easily you can remember all 7 examples which are placed in Ascomycetes. My master uses pencil. Yes. Morels. AS aspergillus. T stands for truffles. P for Penicillium notatum. Next, N stands for Neurospora crassa. C, Claviceps purpurea. Y, yeast. In this only unicellular fungus, that is the yeast. This is unicellular fungus. Only one fungus, unicellular fungus, remaining fungi, multicellular fungi. How to remember this one? Y stands for yeast. S stands for single cellular organism. That is otherwise known as unicellular organism. Single cellular or unicellular. These are the all examples easily you can remember if you follow this trick. Third class, that is the most important. So third class, Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes, it is third class. How to remember examples? I'll write one sentence. Must visit Andhra Pradesh state. MU, here MU means mushroom. So MUS, mushroom. Again you have to take US, Ustilago. Ustilago, otherwise known as smut fungi. So here A for, that is agaricus. P stands for, here the P stands for Puccinia, that is otherwise known as rust fungi. These three examples easily can remember. MUS, mushroom, that is agaricus. UST, Ustilago. P stands for Puccinia, that is otherwise known as rust fungi. These are the three examples easily you can remember. Last and final class, that is the fourth class, that is called Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes, it is fourth class. So Deuteromycetes fungi, three examples are there. That is easy to remember. Cat, C-A-T, cat. C for Colletotrichum falcatum, it is C. A stands for Alternaria solani. T for Trichoderma polysporum. These are the three examples are placed in Deuteromycetes. Please subscribe my channel so to get like this some other tricks related to NCERT concept.